check out the price of this all-new Range Rover. We've priced it so competitively. It's finished in the launch colour Firenze Red, 2023. But normally, sometimes, when a car's priced really well, people think, oh, it hasn't got much spec. Listen to this. Full black exterior pack, 23-inch wheels, heads-up display, sliding sunroof, electric deployable tow bar, and a contrasting black roof. It's got tremendous spec, and I don't get many Firenze Red. I think when it's got the black exterior with the 23s and it's broken up beautifully with the black roof, it looks really, really well. But we've priced it. We were having a chat actually in our meeting this morning. It's the best priced, highest spec car of the new Sport we've ever had up for sale here at Acklam. Black badging, inserts, all the sections of the front bumper all done in gloss black with having the black pack. You've got them beautiful LED lights with the sweeping indicators. Sections on the bonnet and on the wings all done in gloss black. Big option, 23-inch wheels, you can see. They're huge, multi-spoke, gloss black, just fill the arches beautifully. Then this is what I'm talking about. So then you've got the black roof, which is being paid for as an option, and privacy. You can see the top of the roof is popped up there, so it's got the sliding and tilting panoramic sunroof. And again, it looks well, doesn't it, from the back, because if I just press them lights back on again, you've got these lovely LED lights here. You've got the contrasting black roof, that big new spoiler that they put on the new Sport, rear diffuser in black. It just looks really, really well. Moving on inside, you've got ebony leather, Meridian speaker, rear heated seats. You can see the legroom as well. There's a lot more, not lots and lots more, but there is much more room than the previous Sport. So when you're sat in the back, the seating position, the car feels much more roomy. So you've got full rear heated seats with your Isofix, lots of space. And then as we move to the front, you've got your deployable handles. You've got your blind spot monitoring on the mirror there. You've got your memory seats, Meridian. You've got beautiful 20-way heated seats as well in the front. The seats are much bigger, much more comfortable. You've got your digital cockpit and you've got your heads-up display. That is a big option, very rare. So you can see if I just start the car up, you've got your speedo, and you can set it, you can put your traffic signs on there as well. And even your navigation, everything goes and can be projected onto there as well. Then you've got your digital cockpit, you've got your heated wheel, you've got your adaptive cruise, all as standard. Moving up, I'll just open that sunroof, so it was tilted, but now you've got your sliding sunroof. Then you've got your 13.1-inch Privy Pro screen, which has got everything on. So you've got your surround camera with the carbon electric deployable tow bar. I'll just show you that. You've then got towing assist. Back in the main menu, you've got wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless charging. I think you've got Alexa down here. Alexa, all your standard features, your navigation, your Android Auto. It's got an electric deployable tow bar, so if I press that button there, you can do it from the rear, but if you want to deploy it, press that, and then I'll show you that. And it's got electric tailgate as well, so from there, press the button, and there you have your electric deployable tow bar. Great boot space, as you can see. Look at that. You can drop all them seats down as well. Just press these two buttons like that. Everything's done electronically. And then if you want to put that tow bar away, press the button. There's an option there. And obviously I opened it from inside as well. So it's great spec, this car. It's priced on the money to sell. It's in the launch colour of the all-new Sport. So when you see the adverts, when the first brought the car out, this was the colour. 23s, black roof, sliding sunroof, heads up, black exterior, just massive spec, and the tow bar. It's going live on our website. Thank you for watching.